Hi, it's Monday, the 20th of July, and we're watching the open of the Euro stocks, or at least what became of the open, because this morning the exchange had some problems, and so they opened later. As you can see, they put up a really nice move right from the start, and as soon as I threw up the chart, I realized that this was going higher. There was a nice momentum. I entered long, and I got punished for it because I know that momentum trades are not my strongest suit, and I should have avoided that. So it topped out at 968, approaching 700, a nice round handle, at which we're probably going to see a little bit of resistance. Then it pulled back, and it stopped at 93, at which I entered. 93 corresponds to the point of control, and there's a really nice step in the volume profile. If you look on the right side of the screen, there's 5,400 contracts traded at 93 and just 1,900 traded one price below that at 92. So that classifies as an area that will be defended and a nice place to initiate a long. So this tape has been sped up 5 times. I had my target originally at 98, hoping for a retest of that price, but a lot of contracts have come down on the offer at those 3 prices, and that's kind of spooking me out. Also, they seem to be stacking the contracts lower and lower. So I'm ready in case this breaks lower, because it's built a nice plateau there at 92, 93. It stayed there for longer than necessary. It's not necessarily showing many signs of strength apart from a stacked bid at 94, which could be a spoof. So I was ready to get out at any time. When I saw that we traded 1,800 contracts at 96 and very, very little at 97, I thought we were getting stuck. Look at that, we had another 500 contracts at that price, and we're still finding resistance. So I thought, well, this is a scalp. I just want to get out with a little bit of profit, and that's exactly what I did. It will go on to retest that high, and it will go higher. I took that decision. I don't regret it. Still a nice trade, still a profit. Situation here changes significantly. You'd think the longs are getting stuck at 98, but they're also absorbing a lot of those contracts. At 97, they absorb 1,500. They buy a shitload at 98, 3,000 contracts, and this thing goes higher and higher. So again, I do the mistake of getting into a momentum trade. It goes in my favor for 2-3 ticks, and then it just collapses back. My stop is at 97, but I realize that that's a mistake. 97 is where the price will plateau, if anything. So instead of getting out with a 5-tick loss, I still have good faith in this trade to go higher. We've been doing nothing but going higher since the open. So I decide to average in at 90. I don't remember. What did I do? 96, 97? We'll see it in a second. There's a bit of a step in the profile as well. The volume point of control shifts there between 96 and 97. 96 doesn't really trade. 97 is a better long. So I get in, and we'll see how that turns out. All I wanted to do really was to salvage that that long that I took up there at 701. I thought 700 would be an area where it could stop or even reverse, for all I knew, because it's such a psychologically strong signal for price to plateau, reverse, or whatever. So instead of hoping for continuation, now I just want to get out of my longs with a little bit of a profit. Also, 700, you have 4,700 contracts traded. There's a step up. Doesn't really mean anything because we could break it, but I was afraid of those 4 levels